All right, and we are at chapter 3, section 4, lab 4, I guess. Troubleshoot power supply problems. And here's the scenario. You work at a computer repair store. A customer brought in a computer that shuts down before it can completely boot. You suspect that the problem is with the power supply. In this lab, your task is to test the power supply. Choose a power supply that has the following connectors: the motherboard main power connector, 20 plus 4 pin, the CPU power connector, a 4 pin, and a PCIe video card, 6 pin. The customer has expressed interest in a new graphic card that requires its own power connector. Make sure that the power supply you select will support this card. Install a power supply in the computer, making the following connections: connect the motherboard power connector, connect the CPU power connector, connect the power connector for the SATA hard drive and optical drive, plug the computer in using the existing power cable that is plugged into the wall, and start the computer and boot into Windows. If everything is connected correctly, the computer will work. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this lab started. And we're loading, we're loaded. All right, so first we need to test the power supply. The computer is already off. Let's go to the motherboard. Actually, we're gonna go up here to PC tools. We're gonna bring our power supply tester to the bench and zoom in a little bit. All right, so to test the power supply, we're gonna go ahead and take the 24 pin and plug it into the tester, and then take our 4 pin. I think this is the 4 pin. Uh-oh. Why are you not connecting? Do you go here? No. Oh, oops. Don't pay me no mind, folks. I'm learning like you are. All right, so we're going to zoom in here. Oh, it's low. Our power supply is bad. All right, so we are going to disconnect the power supply. Disconnect and disconnect, and let's see. We need to disconnect all of it. All of it. Let's say go back. We're gonna disconnect this. And yeah. All right. So back to the motherboard. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the shelf. Oh, oops, my bad. Disconnect the drives. SATA drives. And go back to the back and put this. I'm going to put it on the bench because I don't want to put it on the shelf and it gets in my way and I don't know which one I need. All right. So power supply needs to have the 20 pin, 24 pin. Of course, it has the CPU power connector and then the PCIe. So it looks like it's going to be this one. Yes. All right. So we're going to test this and plug it in here. Oh, put it here. Why I can't put it there? Put it there. There we go. Hi, Susan, what are you doing? We're gonna go back to the back and we're gonna get our plug here and plug it into the power supply and flip it on. It's on. Are you on? You should be on. Flip it on. There we go. And zoom in. We are good. It works. Okay, so we're gonna zoom out and we're gonna plug this into our motherboard. Oh wait, hold up, let's go back. Turn it off. Plug it into the motherboard. So our 4 pin and our 24 pin. And then we're gonna go to the drive bays and plug in our SATA plugs. SATA plugs. There you are. Back to the motherboard. I think everything else is here. Let's double check. All right. Connect the motherboard power connector. We did that. Connect the CPU power connector. We did that. Connect the SATA. Oh, we need to plug in the computer. Computadora. Oh, it's already plugged in and we're just going to turn it on, right? There we go. Let's go to the front. Plug in, see if it comes on, and boot into Windows. Are you gonna boot? Let's see. Booyah! We in there. Alright, so let's check our answers. And we've got 100, folks. Score the lab. Less than 5 minutes. It's not too bad. Alright, and I will include the explanation in the upload. Once again, I thank you all for watching. I hope this helps. Okay, bye.